Good morning, everyone. Today we will be studying about the fourth type of animal tissue. Yes, the name is on your screen. It is the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, as you know, beta, whenever we will study about the tissue, we will study about the cells that form that tissue. I always told you, isn't it? So the nervous tissue is also made up of cells, and the cells in the nervous tissue, they are called neurons or the nerve cells. Okay, then I told you that whenever we will study about these cells, we will be studying about the structure of the cells that form the tissue. Now here nerve cells or the neurons form the nervous tissue. So we will see the structure of neuron. This is the structure of a single neuron or a neuron. Here, as always, a cell has a cell body. So this is the cell body of the neuron. Okay. In the cell body, all the specific organelles are present, and so is present the nucleus, which is spherical in shape. Then this cell body in a neuron gives out some extension which is different from other cells. Okay, this is the difference, that it gives out some extensions, the fibrous extensions. Why it give out these fiber like extensions? Because the main function of nervous tissue is to receive and send messages to different body parts. Okay, and to receive and send messages in an efficient manner, this dendrites or these extensions, they increase the surface area for receiving and sending messages. Okay, and therefore the cell body gives out these small extensions, and these extensions are called dendrites or dendron. Then there is a long extension also. It is called axon. So there is a single long fiber extending from the cell body, which is called axon. This axon is covered by a myelin sheath, but it is not continuously covered by a myelin sheath. Okay, there are some interruptions in between, and the place wherever the covering of myelin sheath is not there, it is called node of Ranvier. Okay, so this myelin sheath and node of Ranvier play an important role in transporting messages. Okay, how it occurs, that you will be studying in your higher classes. Okay, the main function of nervous tissue is what? Transferring, conducting the messages from one part of the body to the other part. Okay, then this axon, it ends up, and at the end it gives out some extensions and also a terminal end where some bulb like knob like structures are there. These are called axon terminals. Okay, so this is all about the structure of a neuron, that is the cell of nervous tissue. Where these nervous tissue are present? Nervous tissues are present throughout the nervous system. So what is nervous system? Nervous system is that system which is responsible for sending messages and receiving messages from one part of the body to the other part. Nervous system consists of three main organs: brain, which is the master of your body, then spinal cord, and nerves. So brain, spinal cord and nerves, they are all made up of nervous tissues. Okay, this nervous system plays an important role in the communication and controlling the different systems of the body. It coordinates various body parts in their functioning. So therefore, all the messages for coordination of different body parts, they are transported by nervous tissue, or you can say the nerve cells which form the nervous tissue. How it occurs, that you will be studying in detail in your chapter nervous system. Okay, or even in the higher classes you will study them. So first revise the basic structure of nervous tissue again and enjoy your studies. Have a nice day.